Welcome to our new exciting video about fall nails. If you are a fan of creativity and adore the charming elements of all fall nail art might be your calling. From adorable owls sitting on branches to intricate acorn and leaf designs, there is no shortage or playful motifs to choose from. Incorporate these elements into your nail art for a delightful and eye-catching look that captures the spirit of seasons. As the nights grow longer, darker nail shades take the spotlight. Deep purples, navy blue, and rich blacks create a sense of mystery and allure that's perfect for all evenings. Add a touch of glamour with metallic accents or subtle glitter gradient for a dazzling effect. These moody shades add a sense of sophistication and depth to your nails, perfectly mirroring the evolving atmosphere of all. Fall is all about texture, from cozy sweaters to velvety scarves, and your nails can flow suit. Experiment with textured nail polishes that add dimensions and interest to your nails. Matte finishes, velvet textures, and even 3D embellishments like tiny beds or stud can create a captivating tactile experience. These texture designs add a unique twist to your fall nails repertoire. Ombre nails continue to be a hit this fall. Transitions from light to dark shades within the same color family to create a seamless gradient effect that mimics the changing hues of autumn leaves. You can opt for a subtle ombre or go for a bolder contrast. The choice is yours. This technique allows for endless creativity, making each set of ombre nails personalized masterpiece. The classic French manicure gets a fall makeover with seasonal twist. Instead of the traditional white tips, consider using autumnal colors like copper, gold, or burnt orange. These warm tone tips offer a fresh take on a timeless look, infusing a touch of all charm into a beloved style. While florals are often associated with spring, they can remain for fall as well. Dark, moody floral designs against a deep background create a captivating contrast that's both romantic and engagementing. These florals echo the final booms of the seasons, capturing the melancholic beauty of fall. As you embark on your fall nail journey, remember that your nails are a canvas for self-expression. Whether you are down to the cozy and warm on the mysterious and edgy fall nails offer a multitude of avenues to explore. So gather your favorite animal shades, unleash your creativity, and embrace the magic of the season right at your fingertips. So that's all about. Thanks for watching this YouTube